Well, it's about that time. It's time to get a haircut. Gonna get this back under control. It's been a little over a year since I cut it. Today's video is a vlog. It's time to do the thing. So let's go inside and get rid of this whole mess.
Just kidding. Let's talk about a popular question. Does gear matter? But first, let's get back to the haircut.
All the hair is gonna be going away. We're gonna be just doing 4 on the top, maybe 2 on the side. So back to my old style that you guys are all used to. So let's check it out. Feels lighter. That's the old me. I'm back. We're at Ambitious Barber. Ooh, there we go. Haircut complete. A year's worth of hair all cut off now. Yeah, I feel lighter already. Also feel colder. Anyways, my name is Chris. This is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your stream technician. A popular question right now in the streaming community, as well as tech, PC gaming, and content creation in general, is: does gear matter? Ready for my answer? No, but also yes. You see, as with anything, there is a minimum level of quality a content creator must hit in order for things to reach a satisfactory level for the consumers of that content. You gotta remember that ultimately it's the experience of the viewer that is most important, and it takes very little to raise your quality floor high enough that your audio and video quality isn't an immediate turnoff to viewers. What I mean by this is that upgrading your gear by a single tier and then optimizing those things will cover the majority of your needs for streaming and video content creation. Just like many games, there are levels to this. At least 99% of streamers and content creators fall within this tier. The gear upgrades at this level can vary from an upgraded camera, such as a Logitech C920 or something of that level, and an upgraded microphone. The phrase upgraded microphone can mean a lot though, as this can mean something like an Antlion mod mic, a Fifine K670, a Samson Q2U, or an entry-level interface like a Behringer Euphoria UM2, paired with a cheap condenser microphone like any of the BM800 rebranded mics all over Amazon. Of course, amongst that list of microphones, I'd recommend the Samson Q2U because it is a dynamic mic, which makes it good at rejecting noise all by itself. But then it's also XLR and USB, so your mic can grow with you if you upgrade your stuff down the line. But either way, it doesn't take a lot to improve the quality of how your mic sounds, and I'll link to one of our videos that helps illustrate that up here and down below. When it comes to a good webcam though, you are also able to get more out of one if you manually adjust settings such as sharpness, exposure, and turn off any low light compensation settings, assuming you have good lighting. Good lighting is key to making any camera look good, and that is just as important for webcams. And if you want to use your cell phone as a webcam, that's also a thing and also something that we've covered. Again, links will be down in the description below. Software such as XSplit VCam and NVIDIA Broadcast can help squeeze out even more quality from a simple webcam, and you can even reach a level where you fool a lot of people into thinking your webcam looks kind of like a mirrorless or DSLR. I've got a lot of information covering those topics in a previous video as well, so I'll link those down below. One tier up after that, and you reach a level of quality that makes it feel like you're going from watching something that is satisfactory quality and takes it up a notch to feel like you're watching something that is professional quality, or what many people consider professional. These people go out and buy microphones like the Electro Voice RE20 and Shure SM7B, mics that cost $300 to $400 or more, and pair them with high-end interfaces like the Go XLR, which goes for around $500 as well. Just as well though, they get expensive $1,000 plus full-frame DSLR or mirrorless cameras and $1,000 plus high-end lenses and run them through an expensive capture card such as the Elgato HD60, Camlink 4K, AverMedia Livestreamer Duo, or an AVIO HD. Small streamers and those aspiring for bigger streaming and content creation dreams tend to think this is the combo you need to become successful. But no, this is the combo you get once you've obtained success, not before that, in my opinion. I would say one more tier up, and it really doesn't matter what you have in terms of gear. People like XQC can stream with a potato for a camera and people would still watch. With all that being said, maximizing what you have to get the most out of it for the least amount of money spent would be the smartest way to go. This doesn't mean to cheap out with the cheapest stuff, but it does mean to be smart with your upgrades. Find alternatives or comparable gear to the high-end stuff that gets the job done, let's say 95% of the way for a fraction of the price, and you'll be a lot happier in the long run, especially if you end up with a feeling of burnout. You won't also have that feeling of having driven yourself broke by having pro-level gear with very little audience. It does wear on you, trust me. I know. Now, if you're the kind of person who enjoys tinkering with tech and just like to have nice things, nice gear, that sort of thing, and it's an enjoyable thing for you to do as well as for your viewers, then sure, get whatever gear you want. Just understand that it takes more than just gear to provide content that engages an audience. So again, to answer the question, both yes and no. I've been streaming for about 4 years and have only lately started averaging over 10 to 15 viewers. This puts me in the top 1.14% of all streamers on Twitch, according to Twitch Tracker. Think about that for a second. I still use a microphone I got for $4, and if I wasn't such a tech head and tech nerd and all that stuff, I'd still be using a Logitech C920, a cheap ring light I found from a yard sale, and a spare phone with Touch Portal as my Stream Deck alternative. And to be honest, this combo would cover the needs of the majority of streamers. I just love tech and love upgrading my stuff to at least provide the best quality I can for you guys. And that's why I have what I have today. But man, do I love finding cheap ways to put out high quality streams and videos. Anyways, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell. And don't forget, I stream to Twitch every Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk stream and content creation tech. We'll see you in the next video or in the next stream, maybe? Everything I talked about here in this video will be linked down in the description below, as well as gear recommendations for streaming on a budget. Also, tons of other content right over here. I have my Stream Technician playlist. You guys want to check that out, as well as other videos. So you should probably click one. Have you clicked one yet? Or, go follow on the stream. That'd be cool too. Yeah. Okay, you're not going to click one, are you? Haircut came out good though, right?